As technology continues to become an ever-increasing part of our lives, the ability to automate certain tasks is becoming increasingly more accessible. One of the most exciting new developments in this area is the emergence of smart artificial intelligence gadgets. These devices have the ability to learn from their environment, analyze data, and make decisions on their own. In this video, we'll explore 5 of the best AI gadgets you can buy today. Number 5. Amazon Astro. Astro is a revolutionary household robot that provides home monitoring with Alexa and a 6-month free trial of Ring Protect Pro. With advanced navigation technology and intelligent motion capabilities, Astro can easily find its way around your home, go where you need it to, and hang out close by when not in use. It is designed to protect your privacy with the ability to turn off microphone, cameras, and motion with one press of a button, as well as set out-of-bounds zones. You can also accessorize your Astro with a variety of accessories. With the Astro app, you can check in on specific rooms, people, or things, while remote monitoring gives you peace of mind while you're away. Get alerts if Astro detects an unrecognized person or certain sounds. All in all, Astro is an innovative and convenient way to keep your home and loved ones safe. Number 4. Samsung JetBot AI Plus. The Samsung JetBot Artificial Intelligence Plus Robot Vacuum Cleaner and Clean Station is an incredibly advanced and intelligent product. With LiDAR sensors, a 3D camera, and advanced AI object recognition technology, it has the ability to identify and avoid objects, adjust to multiple floor types, monitor your home, and empty the dustbin with no contact needed. Its comprehensive 5-layer HEPA filtration system traps up to 99.99% of dust, and its high-efficiency brush has fine anti-static fibers and self-cleaning extractors. The SmartThings app allows you to check JetBot's status, view movement on a map of your home, and instruct it to pause or stop. This product is easily compatible with Bixby, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa, making it a great choice for anyone who wants a powerful and efficient robotic vacuum cleaner. Number 3. NEUBILITY Urban Delivery Robot. The NEUBILITY Autonomous Delivery Robot by NEUBILITY is a well-designed, cost-effective solution for autonomous last-mile delivery. The robot is equipped with advanced camera and sensor technologies that allow it to freely navigate in high-density urban environments with greater accuracy and efficiency than traditional LiDAR sensor-based robots. With its multi-camera-based V-SLAM, it can easily gauge accurate position estimation even in high-density downtown areas. It has embedded technologies including sensor fusion for artificial intelligence-based obstacle recognition, avoidance logic, and driving condition recognition, drivable path detection, which enables it to successfully pass through the worst pedestrian traffic. Its unique design and features have already earned its recognition at this year's Consumer Electronics Show. Number 2. PowerEgg X Explorer. The PowerEgg X is an all-in-one drone that is packed with features and capabilities. The 4K by 60fps UHD camera is capable of producing professional-quality images and videos, and the patented SynVoice technology allows for audio synchronization with the footage. The artificial intelligence face recognition technology allows for accurate, efficient, multi-angle remote face recognition and subject lock-on when following the subject. It is also waterproof with the correct accessories and can take off and land on water with the correct accessories. Overall, the PowerEgg X is an excellent choice for professional photography, video conferencing, and vlogging. Number 1. NETVUE Birdfy. The NETVUE Birdfy Artificial Intelligence Smart Bird Feeder Camera is a revolutionary birdwatching tool that allows you to easily and accurately identify bird species and capture close-up shots of them. It features a 1080p high-resolution night vision AI algorithm that recognizes more than 6,000 types of birds, as well as a patent bird-friendly design that is IP65 weatherproof and has a 1.5-liter capacity container for food. The camera supports a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection and stores images and videos in the NETVUE cloud for up to 7 days for free. The Smart Bird Feeder camera is a great tool for bird lovers and is an excellent way to upgrade your birdwatching journey.